Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Ninja 1000 sport touring bike with ABS brakes, traction control, inline 4-cylinder. This thing is a beautiful powerhouse of comfortable sport touring. Sparkle metallic black, adjustable rear suspension. It's got an adjustable smoked windscreen. This bike is a really refined and beautiful sport touring, comfortable super bike. Just $89.99. Thing only has 1,172 miles. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.